Alright guys, so I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my new portable jump starter with air compressor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. These are definitely handy to have. So as you can see, they come in this very nice sturdy case for it. Go ahead and open it up. Alright, here is the actual jump starter itself. This one is very heavy duty, as you can see. Go ahead and power it on. As you can see, it's got a very nice display right here. Just lets you know exactly what's going on. It's got a flashlight up here. Here we'll hook up our hose for the air pump. You can turn on the flashlight right here. Very, very cool. Different features on there. What's cool about having the flashlight built into here is even if you need to do a jump start or just check anything in the vehicle, you can use this as your flashlight as well. So again, just very nice to have all built into that one. And let's see what else we got in here. It's like a microfiber cloth for it, a user manual. You got some safety gloves as well. And then you have the actual cables for the jump starter. Type-C cable to keep it charged up. And then the adapter for the air compressor. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up and see how it works. So if we did want to hook this up, we'll go ahead and take this piece out and plug this in. As you can see, it's got power now, so it's literally ready to go. So now all you got to do is hook this up to your battery, and then it's literally going to jumpstart right up. I don't have a dead battery at the moment, but as you can see, everything's super easy to do, super easy to use. So we'll go ahead and unplug this. And then if we were needing to like inflate a tire or a ball or anything like that, we'll go ahead and install this piece to it. Just turn it on there. And there it is, ready to go. All right, in order to use it, there is different options. As you can see, it's got like a vehicle there, motorcycle, bicycle, ball. And then if you just want to put like a custom PSI, you could do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on car. And then all you got to do after that is just hit power. And it's literally ready to go, ready to use. So as you can see, everything super easy, super convenient. And it also does serve as a power bank. Check this out. All right, so as you can see, it's got 2 out USBs and then the Type-Cs to charge it. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. All right, so we'll go ahead and actually hook this up. It does have a fast charger for the USB as well. We'll plug this in to our iPad, phone, whatever you need. And there it is. So as you can see, just about everything that you need in case of an emergency. If your phone's dying, if your car battery died, you got a flat tire, this can definitely help out, or you just simply need that flashlight. It can help you out quite a bit. As you're looking for a new portable jump starter, that can charge your phone, be an air compressor, jumpstart the car, flashlight, power bank. Definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.